welcome everybody. We're continuing to talk the biggest time killers in sales. And today on this video, we're going to be talking about the time killer of updating your CRM. So look, I was a sales professional for a long time and I know that CRM work just sucks, but we got to do it. It's the primary communication mechanism in the revenue team, between the revenue team and the rest of the company. So you have to make it work. It can take time, but with AI, you can actually go really fast on this. Remember, AI has the ability to sort through and read through a ton of information and summarize it for you. And what you're doing in CRM is you're typically summarizing and logging what's happened. So think about this, is that you're logging customer interactions like emails and meetings. If you have a transcription from your meeting, you can feed that into AI and tell it to provide you a summary that you can put into your CRM and exactly how you need it. You can give it additional notes, customer conversations, and other things, emails and such, and tell it to summarize it for you so that you can copy and paste that into your CRM. As you can see, just that ability to summarize could save you a lot of time in all the work that you have to do throughout the week. The idea though is that you have to be prepared with the transcripts, with the emails, with the other information that it needs to read through that you need to put into your prompt. Now, the things that are still going to be manual are going to be like updating our opportunity stages and close dates. AI, if you ask it to, can give you a suggestion on what to do there, but I'm not sure if you should trust it just yet. I wouldn't. I would still use our brain for that. But let's go through a potential prompt that you could use to get AI to help you with updating your CRM. Here's an example. You're giving it a role to act as a sales assistant or an expert within CRM and sales processes to help you update your CRM based on the following information. Now, I would recommend that you keep the emails, call transcripts, and things like that handy so that you can easily copy and paste them into the prompt. You want to tell it what your role is. You want to give it the context. So you might tell it that you've just had a meeting and you want it to summarize the meeting. Maybe you're at the point where you're going into the proposal stage. You want to just give it that context so it knows how best to phrase the summary. You want to give it a task. And in this case, we're saying, please help me format and structure the information I provide into the appropriate updates for our Salesforce CRM system. I will provide you the primary fields I need to update along with the best practices. So what we're saying here is we're telling it the fields that you want it to summarize, and you might give it an example of what needs to be included. Every company's different as to what they need in those fields. So if there's a specific way that your boss or your boss's boss likes to see this information, if you tell AI how to structure the output, it will structure it for you. It can be really good at spitting out summaries exactly in the manner that is appreciated inside of the company. You can things like use action verbs or include specific dates so that it puts those things in there for you, and that way you don't have to add them after the fact. Some of the other things that I would say too is you can tell it exactly how to format. Maybe you need a specific format. Don't use periods, use this, use that, and any of the things that you want it to not include so that you can easily just copy and paste the output into CRM. You may have to change it a little bit, but I'm telling you that if you do this with your emails, your call transcripts, proposals, any other information that you can provide it, AI will summarize a ton of information for you and can help you save you minutes, definitely minutes, but more like hours a week in the work that you have to do with your CRM. All right, so give it a try. Let me know how it works, if you have any issues with it or how you feel it could be improved, but good luck and good selling.